With a black marker, a hand draws a woman at a computer. She frowns and scratches her head. Behind her, a blank post.
Are you a front-end developer struggling with ARIA?
The black illustration becomes color. The poster now reads, Modern JavaScript.
Is the ARIA spec too technical and confusing?
The woman clenches her hand and grimaces.
Are most online resources on ARIA outdated and lacking in practical examples?
The hand draws another woman.
Meet Stephanie, your new ARIA teacher. In Stephanie's Introduction to ARIA for Beginners course, you will learn the basics of ARIA with easy-to-understand code and real-life examples.
Some of the text on a blackboard. What is ARIA? ARIA is shorthand for Accessible Rich Internet Applications. ARIA is a set of attributes you can add to HTML elements.
Stephanie will start with the very basics, such as what ARIA is, when to use it, and common mistakes beginners make.
Header role equals banner main role equals main footer role equals content info.
Further in the course, she will explain how to use ARIA landmarks to structure your website.
Menu. Button class equals menu button collapsed ARIA expanded equals false, then menu. Button class equals menu button collapsed ARIA expanded equals true.
Following that, she will demonstrate how screen readers interact with ARIA. Finally, Stephanie will teach you the basics of ARIA states, roles, and properties in an easy-to-understand way. In addition, this course contains helpful quizzes along the way in order to test your knowledge.
A cell phone.
At the end of the course, Stephanie will show you how to build real-life widgets with the knowledge you learned. Enroll today and get a 30-day money-back guarantee.
Graphics depict a brain, an eye, ear, and figure in a wheelchair. Text, WAI-ARIA, enter.